How to build a bigger chest. Bigger chest, you need to focus on the combination of power training, nutrition, and recovery. Here are some effective ways to help develop a larger and more defined chest. Number 1, strength training. Compound exercises. Incorporate compound exercises that target the chest muscles, such as pectoralis major and pectoralis minor. Some of the most effective exercises include bench press, flat incline and decline, push-ups, and chest flies. Vary your routine. To stimulate muscle growth, change your routine regularly. This can be done by adjusting the number of sets and reps, changing the angle of the bench, and incorporating different exercises. Progressive overload. Gradually increase the weight as you lift it as your strength improves. Progressive overload is a key principle for muscle growth. Full range of motion. Focus on using the full range of motion during the exercise. This ensures that you engage the entire muscle and get the most benefit from each repetition. Number 2, nutrition. Protein intake. Protein is crucial for muscle growth and repair. Make sure you're consuming an adequate amount of protein in your diet from sources like lean meats, poultry, fish, eggs, dairy, and plant-based options like legumes and tofu. Calorie surplus. To gain a muscle mass, you need to have a slight calorie surplus, which means you're consuming more calories than you burn. Ensure that your diet provides enough energy for muscle growth. Balanced diet. Include a balanced diet that provides essential nutrients and vitamins for overall health and muscle recovery. Number 3, rest and recovery. Adequate sleep. Get sufficient sleep to allow muscles to recover and grow. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality night sleep per night. Rest days. Allow your chest muscles and body to recover by incorporating rest days into your workout routine. Overtraining can hinder muscle growth. Number 4, consistency. Regular workouts. Stay consistent with your workouts. Aim to work your chest muscles at least once or twice a week. Tracking progress. Keep track of your workouts, including the weights used, sets, and reps, to monitor your progress and make necessary adjustments. Number 5, proper form. Focus on maintaining proper form during your chest exercises to avoid injury and maximize muscle engagement. If you're unsure about your form, consider working with a fitness professional or personal trainer. Supplements optional. Some individuals choose to incorporate supplements like protein powders, creatine, and branched-chain amino acids to support their muscle building efforts. Consult with a healthcare professional before using supplements. Remember that building a bigger chest takes time, and genetics can play a role in your progress. Be patient, stay committed, and maintain a balanced approach to your training and nutrition. If you're new to weightlifting or have any medical conditions, it's advisable to consult with a fitness professional or healthcare provider before starting a new workout program. Make sure to subscribe if you want to learn how to get fit.